OMG, look at this. Hey, y'all, I'm in here chilling with some birds. It's like 5 of them in here. They're not gonna. They cool, right? Oh, look at them. They got their own little house over here. They just chilling. So it's 3 of them right there. Nice. Look at these 2 up here. What are they doing? Are they fighting or kissing? I want to see them go back, sit back on top of your head again. That's cool. Now, what are their names? These 2 right here.
Pink and Brain.
Pink and Brain. And there's 3 over here.
Tiny ones.
The tiny ones?
No names.
Oh, they don't have no names?
Tiny ones.
Okay, so they're the tiny ones.
The
The
minions, right? The minions.
Oh,
They got no names, but just minions.
oh, like minions. Wow. I thought that green one was a real one. There's some pretty birds. Wow. It's pretty cool.
5 o 7 años, sin importar las medias.
Yo, y'all see this? They're just flying all over the place. Look at them. Y'all gonna be YouTube famous, you know.